Welcome back everyone, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Case IH 9240 axial-flow combine. So this combine again is 1/64th model. You can buy them from, I'll put the links in the description, from Amazon like I've had in the past. You can get them from outbacktoystore.com. It does have, this combine does have the folding auger. It does have the dual wheels that come standard. I usually don't mod things like this, although I might the New Holland for its feeder house to go up and down. Like I have said in past videos, this can move its feeder house up and down. It has a 390 bushel capacity. This is I believe it's a 2016. It's fairly well detailed. You can kind of see in there in the cab just a little bit. It's really a good combine. It doesn't break very easily like some of the other ones, like the Deere and some of the Gleaner ones I know kind of break, but it does have the GPS on the grain bin extensions. It comes with the Case IH axial-flow draper header. It's 40 foot wide. It's got the belts in it, and it's got this long cutter bar and stuff. The bottom here, the design of the bottom kind of looks kind of cool. It does have the extra part here. I'm not quite sure what you use this for. I think you'd use it for storage, like when you attach when you put the PTO and the electrical connections up there as well. I don't think I've known a header that does have the PTO, but it does have the signs and stuff there. It can move just like any other headers. It is a lot more stable than some of the other ones. And it also does come with a 38 or a 40 foot 16 row Case IH corn head. Very well detailed as well. It's a little bit different. It feels like it has some kind of chemical on it. Like where this one is just plastic, regular plastic, where this one, it actually feels like it has some kind of chemical on it, but it's really cool. There's a long auger design here on the header. It works pretty well and stuff as far as models. But yeah, this is very plasticky. It doesn't quite flex like the other headers do, but it does a little bit. This one not quite as much because it is a little bit more sturdy. But they work really well together. This is mostly metal, other than the headers and the auger. Let's see if I can get this on. There we go. So yeah, they work great. The header height levels, for the most part, it's better on the this draper header here than it is on the corn header, because the corn header is not quite as tall, but overall it does look pretty cool. Great for model, great for show. I think this was my third combine or something like that. My New Holland one was my first. Case and New Holland, by the way, are the same company. They're just different names, kind of like how AGCO owns Gleaner, Challenger, Massey Ferguson, Sunflower, Fendt, and many more that I can't think of. As we look at the back, we can see the hazards and stuff. They don't have a straw spreader on this one. I'm not quite sure why that is. Usually Case makes some really good straw spreaders, like the one on the back of the New Holland. It's got the logo as usual. The engine parts look fine. It's got the this part here broke off the New Holland, like I was talking about in the New Holland video. It's got the new cooling fan design. Overall, it's really cool. It's got the new headlights for it. It does have a little bit more detail in here as well, in the feeder house. Over that, it's a really nice combine. I really like it. Give you a little bit closer look at the headers, just so you can kind of see the sizes of them. The corn header is a tad smaller. It's probably a 39 or a 38 foot is what I'm guessing. But they both have the same connections to get to the feeder house. The back of the corn header, I'm gonna show that a bit more, is about like this. Which and that does have this bottom plastic like all the other corn headers, like the New Holland one and the Deere. It is a little bit more flexible. I think I already said that, but Yeah, but overall, a really nice model here. I did have an 8230, but I gave that to my brother because I didn't want it. I didn't want 2-case combines. I am gonna try to get a John Deere S690 because my S680 is broken, as I mentioned. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know what you guys think of these, and see y'all later.